They call it the $1 Million Highway, and once you drive it, you'll understand why. This stretch of US 550 climbs straight out of Ouray and into the San Juan Mountains. Built in the 1880s to haul ore from the mines, it's now one of America's most scenic and most thrilling drives. Every turn reveals another view that's worth $1 million. Enjoy the ride. When you're up here, the road feels alive, twisting, turning, no guardrails, no room for mistakes, just the edge of the world on one side and sheer rock on the other. And the best part, every mile feels like you're driving through a postcard, driving right through history. Out here, it's not about speed, it's about the rhythm between you, the road, and the mountains. The $1 Million Highway, 12 miles of pure Colorado magic. Beautiful, dangerous, unforgettable, and worth every single curve. As we were closing in on Silverton, Joanne was watching out the window and just taking in the scenery and spotted something a few hundred feet off the road, and we just had to get off the highway and get a closer look at it. This moose and her baby, grazing was one of the wildlife highlights of our trip. Second only to our bear encounter as we entered Ouray. Next time out, we're going to bring you Imogene Pass, one of the best known trails in the off-roading world. I can't wait to see how these turn out. See you next time.